If your baby can stare at the ceiling fan like it's the world's greatest movie, but won't look at a toy for more than even 3 seconds, congratulations, you have a completely normal baby. And if you're thinking, how do I boost concentration? Here is the secret. You don't force focus, but you build it. Tiny reps is the key. Let's define concentration in a way that doesn't make you feel like you need a PhD in parenting. For young kids, concentration is not sit still for 30 minutes. It is actually, can they stay for a moment, then drift, and then can come back? That come back skill is part of execution function. The skills that help kids plan, focus, attention, and switch gears in between the activities. Today, I'll show you what focus looks like at each stage from newborn till 5 years, what's normal, and what to do this week to ensure that kind of a attention or concentration skills in your kids. Quick reassurance before we go forward. Short attention spans are not a bug in the kids. They actually are feature of their age. Let's go on. Babies get distracted because everything is new. Toddlers bounce because their brain is practicing switching between activities. What you want to build is not longer sitting, but it's smoother returning back to the previous task. If your child can settle into anything for even 30 seconds with you, you're already on the right track. The myth is screens improve concentration because kids sit still for long. But the fact is, sitting still is not same as focusing. The American Academy of Pediatrics says for kids under 18 months, avoid screen media except video chats. And if needed, then for age 2 to 5, aim for about not more than 1 hour a day of high quality educational content, ideally with you watching it along, not them alone sitting and watching and looking at the screen. And 2 rules that help instantly. Keep the screens out of bedrooms and try not showing any screens 1 hour before the bedtime. This isn't about perfect parenting. It's about making space for focus to grow. Here is the simplest concentration routine for any age. Offer, anchor, and exit. Offer is one activity, not 5 activities at a time. Fewer choices equal less overwhelm. Then anchor. You do one tiny demo and then pause. Your job is not to entertain, your job is to invite them for that activity. And then exit. Stop while it's still going okay. Do not wait for a meltdown. That is it. Short reps, repeated often. Now let's make it super clear by age. And remember, toys don't create focus. The right challenge at right age creates focus. For newborns, concentration can look like a steady gaze for a few seconds, and we are building visual attention at this age in the initial stage. High contrast visuals and simple sensory piece work beautifully at this age. For 6 months onwards, focus often shows up as try again, drop, search, find, and then repeat the process again. Books are a sneaky concentration tool, not for early reading, for shared attention. Then, for 3 to 5 years age, concentration grows with a clear goal. Start, build, and then finish. Now, 3 things you can do this week with whatever you already have. The one tray rule. Put one activity, keep the rest away. You will see a longer play instantly. Choice invitation. Hold up 2 atoms and let them choose. Let the child pick which one he wants to play. Choice increases engagement because they feel in control. And third, finish the loop for 3 to 5. Start an activity, do one tiny step and then complete it. Completion is concentration training in disguise. So basically you have to keep sessions short. 5 minutes daily beats 30 minutes at once. So what we saw today is concentration isn't a personality trait. It's a skill which can be built, and skills grow with tiny reps with the right level of challenge. And by the way, focus expectations change with age. For example, by 5 years, many kids can pay attention for about 5 to 10 minutes during activities like story time, arts, and crafts. If you want the easiest version of this week's practice, we have curated stage wise tools that match how focus develops. But even if you buy nothing, do the reps. Save this video and try it for 7 days and tell me what exactly changed in your baby. Thank you.